Don't let your past dictate who you are, but let it be part of who you will become. The most important conversation you'll ever have is the one you have with yourself. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. The cookie jar is real. The cookie jar is a metaphor for the moments in your life that you were your best self. Today, I stand before you inspired and ready to share the extraordinary journey of a true warrior, a beacon of resilience, and a living testament to the boundless power of the human spirit. Your mind is your most powerful weapon. Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and you will be unstoppable. In the spotlight, we have the indomitable David Goggins, whose story of triumph over adversity serves as a guiding light for all of us on our quest to greatness. In the Ed Millett Show interview, David Goggins bared his soul, revealing the scars of his past, the profound impact of his time as a Navy SEAL, and the unwavering determination that led him to conquer seemingly insurmountable obstacles. His words resonated deeply, and his wisdom became a powerful source of inspiration for countless individuals around the world. David's journey began with childhood traumas that could have broken a lesser soul, but instead of succumbing to the weight of his past, he chose to rise. He refused to let his circumstances define him. With courage in his heart and resilience in his bones, he set out on a path of self-discovery and self-mastery. As a Navy SEAL, he underwent unimaginable challenges, pushing his body and mind to the absolute limits. The training was brutal, but it instilled in him a newfound sense of purpose and the understanding that embracing pain and discomfort was the key to growth. He realized that only by confronting our fears head-on, by embracing the struggle, can we uncover our true potential. Through his book, Can't Hurt Me, David Goggins not only laid bare the rawness of his experiences but also bestowed upon us a treasure trove of lessons. He emphasized the importance of the accountability mirror, where we confront ourselves, acknowledge our flaws, and commit to change. He taught us that to evolve, we must take ownership of our shortcomings and push ourselves to be better each day. The message David carries is clear. The path to greatness is not easy. It demands sacrifice, sweat, and tears. But in the crucible of hardship lies the transformational power that can shape us into the best versions of ourselves. We must learn to embrace discomfort, for it is within those moments that we grow, adapt, and become stronger. So, my friends, let us heed the call of David Goggins. Let us embrace the struggles we face, not as burdens, but as stepping stones to greatness. Let us acknowledge our past, our fears, and our weaknesses, for in doing so, we gain the strength to conquer them. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being relentless in the pursuit of excellence. Embrace the pain, embrace the discomfort, and turn your obstacles into stepping stones towards your dreams. In the words of David Goggins, when you think you're done, you're only at 40% of your total potential. The journey is long, and the road may be arduous, but the rewards that await us at the summit of our aspirations are worth every drop of sweat. Believe in yourself, and let the fire of determination burn bright within you. Let us forge ahead, hand in hand, as we strive to become the best versions of ourselves. Today, we take the first step towards our greatness, and together, we shall conquer mountains. Thank you